Yes, Nalini. Yes, I want to hear from you.
Hi, I wanted to share two things. One, I loved the music today. As Raviji said, the flute was beautiful,
Okay.
very soothing. And I
Okay.
wanted to share something. Last month, I had a very bad attack of some flu, and my blood pressure went beyond 200. And I think my doctor had a heart attack looking at my blood pressure, and while I didn't. But I and they put me on very heavy medication, which and
Mm.
over this period of time, almost a month now that we've been meeting, I've understood the though I used to meditate, now I understand the power of meditation and all the other things that we are doing. So today, after a month, my medication was reduced, and that's what I want as my goal.
Wow.
That at the end of the year, I should be medicine free. I hate this blood pressure
Congratulations.
medication.
I guess everyone should give her a big, big one. Maybe you are not able to hear, but you will reach, it will reach you.
Thank you, thank you. But it felt very special because I tracked it the whole month when I took
Wow.
medicine, what were the readings at what time. So I went to my doctor today and said, see, there's a difference, and I don't want this medication. You can't stop it all of a sudden. So
Yeah.
it was reduced. So that's the first step. So I wanted to say thank you to you.
Thank you so much for sharing that, Nalini. I am living for that. I want that results from you. So thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
thank
so
you.
much.